In this video, we're going to show you the top 5 best Ninja coffee makers in 2025 that are available on the market. We have made this list in our personal experience and hours of research and have listed them based on their user opinions, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. Also, I have included the links in the description below, and also make sure like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button for upcoming video notification. Starting at top number 5 place is Ninja 12-Cup Programmable Coffee Brewer. The Ninja 12-Cup Programmable Coffee Brewer offers a versatile and efficient coffee-making experience. Featuring 2 brew styles, classic and rich, it ensures flavorful, never bitter coffee with customizable strengths. Its 12-cup glass carafe caters to both small and large batches, making it ideal for daily use or entertaining. The hotter brewing technology ensures even saturation and precise temperature control for exceptional flavor. A small batch function prevents dilution when brewing just 1 to 4 cups. Convenience is paramount with a 24-hour programmable delay brew, allowing you to prepare coffee in advance. The adjustable warming plate keeps your coffee fresh and hot for up to 4 hours. For hassle-free refills, the 60-ounce removable water reservoir is easy to carry and fill. Top number 4 is Ninja Specialty Coffee Maker. The Ninja Specialty Coffee Maker combines versatility and convenience to elevate your coffee experience. With 4 brew styles, classic, rich, over ice, and specialty brew, you can enjoy a variety of beverages tailored to your preferences. The specialty brew setting creates a super rich coffee concentrate, perfect for lattes, macchiatos, cappuccinos, and other coffeehouse-style drinks. Enjoy fresh, flavorful iced coffee brewed directly over ice without the dilution. Choose from 6 brew sizes, ranging from a single cup to a full carafe, ensuring flexibility for any occasion. Unlike traditional single-serve machines, this coffee maker uses your favorite grounds, eliminating the need for pods. The top number 3 is Ninja Drip Coffee Maker with K-Cup Combo. The Ninja Drip Coffee Maker with K-Cup Combo offers unmatched versatility for coffee enthusiasts. Featuring a dual brewing system, it accommodates both grounds and pods, with 13 customizable brew sizes ranging from a single cup to a full carafe. Its faster brewing time for K-Cups compared to leading competitors makes it perfect for busy mornings while ensuring optimal flavor. Choose from 4 brew styles, classic, rich, over ice, or specialty, or enjoy hot or boiled water for tea, soups, or oatmeal using the independent hot water system. The specialty brew setting creates a rich coffee concentrate, ideal for crafting lattes, macchiatos, and other coffeehouse-style beverages. A built-in, fold-away frother transforms milk or milk alternatives into smooth froth for cafe-style drinks. The 60-ounce multi-position water reservoir adds convenience and flexibility to fit your space. And top number 2 is Ninja Hot and Cold Brewed System. The Ninja Hot and Cold Brewed System offers unmatched versatility for coffee and tea lovers alike. With the ability to brew smooth, naturally sweet cold brew coffee or tea in just 10 to 15 minutes, this system is perfect for refreshing iced beverages. It features separate baskets for coffee and tea, ensuring distinct, unmingled flavors. The Smart Basket recognition automatically detects the basket contents and customizes the display for coffee or tea options. Enjoy 6 brewing sizes, from a single cup to a full carafe, tailored to your needs. Choose from 5 brew styles, classic, rich, over ice, cold brew, or specialty, to suit your preference. Tea enthusiasts will appreciate the tea-specific settings that optimize temperature and steeping steps for various tea types. And the top number 1 is Ninja Espresso and Coffee Maker and Barista System. The Ninja Espresso and Coffee Maker and Barista System combines advanced technology with versatility, making it perfect for coffee enthusiasts. Featuring Barista Plus technology, the 19-bar pressure system brews ultra-flavorful espresso with a silky smooth creamer by maintaining optimal temperature and pressure. This system allows you to craft coffeehouse-style drinks at home with ease, thanks to a built-in fold-away frother for cappuccinos, lattes, flat whites, and more. Brew single-serve espresso from your favorite capsules with options for espresso 1.35 ounces, lungo 3.75 ounces, and over ice 1 ounce. For coffee grounds, you can brew classic, rich, or over ice in sizes ranging from a single cup to a 12-cup carafe, perfect for serving a crowd. The adjustable cup tray accommodates everything from espresso shots to travel mugs, while a built-in storage bin holds up to 20 used capsules for easy recycling. This system is the ultimate blend of convenience and barista quality performance. Okay, so let's get started with the product reviews. Thanks for watching our countdown of the top 5 best Ninja coffee makers. We hope this helps you find the Ninja coffee makers for your kitchen. Check out the description below for more information, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more kitchen product reviews and kitchen tips. Thank you.